actually today it's nighttime, and it's about 3 hours later than what we initially started.
Exactly.
Because we was on a live video announcing that we're going to be doing this build on the Road King that we said we were going to be on there for 2 minutes, but we ended up being on there. Yeah, 10 minutes. But we ended up being on there for
2 hours.
2 hours. So
2 hours, yeah.
more than likely you've seen that video and you're watching this video. First of all, my name is Tall, and this is YouTube channel Traveling Tall, and this is Leonard, my brother-in-law. And we're going to be doing an install, several installs on this 2005 Road King. This is my 2005 Road King that I call Memphis. Why do I call it Memphis? Well, it's blue. Memphis is known for the blues. Bike is blue. BB King is from Memphis, and he's the king of the blues. And it's a Road King, so that's why I call this bike Memphis. This is not the only bike that I have a Street Glide right over there. It's a performance bagger, and if you are new to the channel, you may not have seen that, but you should check out all the videos on my Street Glide. But right now, on this 2005 Road King, we're gonna do a full makeover on this bike. Bars, lights, wheels, tires, exhaust. Without doing a whole lot more talking, we're gonna get these bars off and get some new Khrome Werks bars put on. All right, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. First off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this beauty ring here and get this headlight removed. So we're gonna grab a screwdriver. There's a screw underneath the bottom, and the truth is I've already kind of started. So we're gonna get this off right here. Now I put the towels on the fender just because I don't want to drop this headlight out on accident. I need to invest in one of those fender mats, but if you don't have one, shop towels or a full-size towel will work. All right, so now I got the screw out. Let's get this beauty ring off. Set this aside here. We're gonna get this ring that's holding the headlight in off. And there's a screw here, here, and here. So let's just get this off. Take the Phillips screwdriver here. And I want to warn you, once you get the screws out, then this headlight can come out. So, I didn't hear it hit the ground. Oh, because it's right here, landed right here on the rag. Now get that out, that's that one on the side, get this one on the top, and I'm holding against this headlight, because this headlight can come out now. You definitely don't want, these screws are tiny too, by the way. Really tiny. See those little screws like that? You can barely see it. You definitely don't want it to come out and hit your fender, or the headlight fall out altogether and crack your headlight. So keep some pressure against it. Where that one go, Leonard? You see it?
Yeah, right.
All right. So with that off, you just put it in there. All right, so you see the ring came off. Now we're going to get the headlight out. It comes out real easy. And this is a custom dynamics headlight. If you've seen the install video of this headlight has this ring around here. It's a multicolor function headlight. Looks really cool. It's a Pro Glow headlight. So we're going to get it unplugged from its harness right here. That's the headlight. Nice looking headlight, right? That custom dynamics headlight. You need to check that out. If you haven't checked this out, you need to check that out. There you go, Leonard. And here's the beauty ring with it too. All right, guys. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take off the little cover that goes on the switch that's covering the switch. So let me show you this right here. And you can just pry it up with a screwdriver, and I've already did that. So we're going to get that right off. And you see these two screws. We're going to get these two screws out, and then we're going to go inside, and there's a nut that we're going to have to take off to remove this whole shield here and this cover to expose the bars. So let's get that off.
So we got the screws off on the outside. If you can, I don't know if you can see up in there, but if you see up in there, right about this area right here, it's a nut and a screw right there that needs to come off.
Point at it so they can see. You got a flashlight? I mean, yeah, right there.
Right there.
Yeah, at the very top.
At the top, yes.
Okay, so that when that comes out, and then we'll be able to get this whole cover off the top, and the bars should be exposed.
Take your 5/16, you break loose the nut underneath here, and then this will come off.
Okay, and that nut is way up underneath there.
Yeah, it's underneath here. Not a lot of room, but you see, notice we have a very small 5/16, which works inside of here. That bolt right there, you take that 5/16 and loosen it right there, and that will bring this rest of this apart. Oh, it's up close here. Goodness. Okay, it's two bolts underneath. The one we took out, and there's one up front here, which I missed, so I need to loosen that one up.
So there's actually two at the top.
So it's two, one in the back here and one up front right here.
Okay, that'll work.
This is close to the front where you really can't see it.
Okay guys, so now we're taking out the second one. We didn't know there was two, so there's one approximately about right here, and there's one about right there that he's taking out.
We got both the screws off. This should just come right off here. That part there off and that there.
So now that we have this off and the bars are exposed, we're going to get these two clamps taken off right there. Then the bars will be able to come off from the motorcycle, but you see that this is going to be the part where we're going to have to take all of this stuff off here and change it from the old bars to the new bars. And that will be the most time-consuming thing. Everything else was fairly simple up to this point. What we're going to do is we're going to get the left side grip off with the controls and everything. So what we're going to do is take the T25 and loosen this screw and this hand control. This side should come off. But before we do that, you have your cables ran up this way, your electrical cables, and they're just stuck in where you have to just pull them away, just like that. Pull them out of the handlebars.
Okay, then you have this right here that holds the cable in place with this T30. Loosen it up. And then that's that. And it's out.
So once I take this and loosen these two, this whole thing should come off, and I'm going to lay it to the side. Nope. So we was wrong. The grip still stays on. So what did we do?
There's one screw right there. That is.
There's something under there. Let's turn this wheel. Guess it's three. Oh yeah, that's,
there you go.
There it is. There we go. That was easy enough. Here's the screws here. Got the first one off. These are some little bitty bars. All right. What do you think, Leonard?
I think so far so good.
All right guys, so there it is. We got that one side off. The bars are exposed again. Check it out. Look how those bars go back. Seriously, it made the bike so uncomfortable. All we have to do is take these 4 screws out, and then these bars will come off. Put the new bars back on, put the 4 screws back in, transfer the controls from the left side of the handlebars and put them back on. But we're going to take this and leave the right side on right now, and we're just going to let it down until we get the left side back on. And then we're going to come over to the right side, take everything off here, and put them on the right side. These turn signals are coming off. These are mirrors, but they have turn signals in it. This is coming off, and this is coming off. We're getting rid of these. So we'll do that since we have it over there. Since it's off, we'll go ahead and take off this stuff now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna stop the video here. And the reason why I like to try to keep these videos around 10 minutes, there's a lot more videos that I have coming that are not pertaining to this build. So you wanna check out the rest of the ones on the channel. I'm gonna try to put one of these out once a week, showing you the build of the Road King and also show you the other things that I usually do on the channel. I have a whole lot of things still left from Daytona. I have the Pan America ride. I also have more video from the Harley-Davidson ST launch. I have other install and product review videos and rides coming your way, so you don't get bored with the content that's coming out and give you a variety of content. The next video will be coming out soon, and I'll try to get this whole Road King thing. It probably, the video series may be about 5 or 6 different 10-minute videos. And we're taking it all the way from Khrome Werks handlebars, Khrome Werks exhaust, more custom dynamic lights from the front to the back. I got some really cool lights from Custom Dynamics that I think you guys are gonna like. Zippers performance, we're gonna get more power out of this Road King, and we're gonna be doing a fluid change with the red line oil. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos come out. Like, share, subscribe, keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
Okay, first thing we're gonna do is gonna take the headlight off. Gonna remove the outside. Screwdriver too long. Okay. I can't get in there.